Hi, my name's Jess. I'm from London, the UK, and this is my final CS50 project, which is JESSKETCHES website, a website to host a portfolio of my artwork along with a shop to get some practice of Flask applications. I used some Python, JavaScript, HTML with Ginger, CSS, and a SQLite database to hold my information. I also used Bootstrap 5 to keep the layout nice and clean. So let me show you around. You're met with a loading page as this is a very image heavy website, and then we're brought through to the JESSKETCHES homepage where you can find all of the artwork, further information and a shop in the navigation bar, and an Instagram link to the artist's Instagram is present throughout the whole of the website. As we scroll down we see examples of artwork, and if we click on any of these artworks, we're taken to one of these work pages that has the artwork with further information and images attached. This is a mobile first website as it's using Bootstrap for the layout. So as you can see, as I've decreased the size of the page, the images have moved about slightly so that the image size isn't too small if a user was on a small screen such as a mobile device. And we're going to have a look at the About Me page where there's further information about the artist, and there's also a link to the contact page. You can also access the contact page in the nav bar. First there's a link to the Instagram page of the artist, and then also an email address if you'd like to contact them directly. Here the subject line and recipient is already filled out for the user. And as we enter the shop, you'll see a user icon has appeared in the right hand corner where a user could log in or register. At the moment we'll remain a guest. As we have a quick look at the items on sale, these are all cards of the artist's artwork where you have the option to add a message to the front of the card. So we've got someone's birthday coming up called Steve, and we only want one of these as we only have one friend called Steve. And as you can see, this item is now in the basket. We'll just add one more for now without any words on the front. Now we'll have a look in our basket where there's a summary of the items you've ordered. And we've realised now that actually if we order 3 or more cards we do get a discount, so we're going to add another 2 to the bottom card. And here you can see a discount of 10% has now been applied. So we're happy with that. We're going to check out. Now we can register, check out as guest or sign in. We're going to sign in today. All these forms are error checked and have flash messages attached if an error is found. Today we're going to post all the orders to me and use the registered address. Here we could change any of the addresses or add a message into the inside of the card if we wanted to send it directly. However, today we would like to handwrite our cards, so we're going to check out with PayPal. Customers will have the choice if they'd like to pay with PayPal, SOFOR or debit or credit card. However, for today we're using a developer login so that we're not actually making any financial transactions. Now we'll be redirected back to the home page once our order's complete. And success! The order has been completed. You can see the flash message at the top. For the purposes of demonstration, both the buyer and seller have the same email address. Here the buyer's purchase has been confirmed. And here the seller has confirmation of an order that's ready to be posted out. One other feature for logged in users is they can view their shopping history. The seller has a hidden page on the JESSKETCHES website which lists all the orders that are due to be posted out. Once the seller has shipped out an item, they can send confirmation of postage to the buyer, which will send out a personalised email to the customer to confirm their order's on its way. Once that email's been sent, the seller will get confirmation of this at the top of the page. Below orders ready to post are all previous orders, and those that have been posted will be date and time stamped. And as we can see, the customer has received confirmation their order is on its way. My name's Jess, and this has been CS50.